Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start your worksheet 7, that is mensuration chapter, worksheet 7. It is the 7th session of your chapter, and in this session we will discuss mainly about the solid shapes, how different solids are there and their shapes we will discuss, and when these solids are rotate, how their top surface, their bottom surface looks like. So before starting this session, we will learn three important topic, that is faces, edge and vertices. What are faces, what are edges and what are vertices, because these three topic will be required for solving this type of diagrammatic questions, and these three topic also will be required for your next worksheet, that is worksheet 8. So better to discuss this topic early as possible. So the topic is measuring solid shapes, measuring solid shapes. So to measure solid shapes, first term will be your face, next term will be your edge, what are faces, what are edge, and last term will be your vertices. Clear? So what are face? Face, actually it is a plane surface of the solid. The plane surface of a solid is known as face. So it is a plane surface of the solid. It is a plane surface of the solid. It is a plane surface of the solid, that is face. Coming to edge, edge is a line segment. Edge is a line segment at which two faces of the solid meet. When the two faces of the solid meet, that line segment will be known as edge. So it is a line segment, it is a line segment at which two faces of the solid meet. It is a line segment, edge is a line segment at which two faces of the solid meet, that is known as edge. Next, last is vertices. Vertices is a point. Vertices is a point where edges meet. Vertices is a point where edges meet. So it is a point. It is a point where edges meet. That will be known as vertices. So let me clear you with an example so that you can better understand what is face, what is edge and what is vertices. Suppose there is a diagram. I am drawing the diagram. Suppose that is the shape. That is the shape. Clear? Now in this shape, in this triangular shape, vertices are the point where the edges meet. So I'm starting from the last point, vertices. So vertices are the point where the edges meet. Clear? So these are the vertices. These are the vertices. This point, this point, this point, this point. These 4 points. That means A, B, C, D. These points are vertices because edges meet at this point. So where edges meet, that point will be known as vertices. And edges are the line segment. That means these are the edges. This line segment, 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 and this line segment. So all these line segment are your edges. That means here edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 edges. All total 8 edges. These are your edges. And edges meet at this point. Edges meet at this point. So they are known as vertices. Next one, face. Face is a plane surface of the solid. That means this is a face. This is a face. This is a face. This is one type of face. Consider this face. This is a face. This is a face. Next, this one is your face. So there are 3 faces. Clear? Take another example. Suppose I am taking the example of a cube. Taking the example of a cube. Clear? So these line segments are known as edges. So line segment, this 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 line segment, and lastly this line segment. So all these are your edges. Line segments are your edges. Now count how many line segments are there, so that you can calculate the edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 edges are there. E for edges, 12 edges are there. So edges meet at this point, so A, this point, this is the point where edges meet, D, this is E, this is F, this is G, and this is H. So all these points where edges meet together. So this point will be known as vertices, because edges meet together at a point. That point will be known as vertices. Vertices are the point where edges meet together. So they are known as vertices. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 vertices are there. So they are vertices. Last face. Face means a plane surface. So how many faces are there? This is the top face. This portion is the top face. That means this portion is the top face. Next, this portion is the bottom face. Clear? This portion, this face is the front face. This face is the back face. Clear? And these two faces, they are the side faces. That means this face and this face, they are known as side faces. So how many faces are there? This is the top face, this is the bottom face, these two are the side faces, and this is the front face, and this is the back face. So total 6 faces are there. 1 top, 1 bottom, 2 side, 1 front, and 1 back. So total 6 faces are there. So there are 6 faces. Clear? So in this way we will calculate faces, vertices, and edges. Clear? Next, so a solid shape will must have a top face and front face and side faces. That means it will have a top view and front view. When you will rotate any solid shape, it must have a top view and front view. And the question is that here given questions, some diagrams are given and you have to draw corresponding top view and front view. So question number one, a diagram is given and you have to draw its corresponding top view and front view. That means when you will see this diagram from the top position, how the diagram looks like, and when you will see this diagram from your front position, how the diagram will looks like, and you have to draw that diagram. Clear? So when you will see from the top position, that is the top view. Question number one. So top view. So question number one, top view. How the top view will look like for this diagram? That means when you will see this diagram from your top position, how the diagram will look like? The diagram will look like this. That means half circle. The diagram will looks like half circle when you will see this diagram from your top position or top portion. What is the front view? That means when you will see this diagram from your front position, the diagram will looks like this. This and this. The diagram will almost looks like this when you will see this from your front position. This is the top front position. This is front and this is top. This is the front view and this is the top view. This is not front, this is the top view. That means when you will see this diagram, from your top portion, that is top position, the diagram will looks like this. And when you will see this diagram from your front view, the diagram will looks like this. That is the half circle. This is the front view and this is the top view. Clear? Question number two, first front view. So diagram is this. This is the diagram. How you can see this diagram? When you will see from front. So when you see this diagram front, suppose this is the front portion, this is the side portion, and this is the top portion. This is the top portion, this is the side portion, and this is the front portion. So when you will see this diagram from your front portion, only this portion will be visible. only this portion will be visible. This portion and this portion you cannot see this portion. That means there is the top portion and the side portion. You will not see this portion. There is the top portion and side portion will not be visible to you when you will see this diagram from your front position. Only the front view will be visible to you when you will see this diagram from your front position. That means the diagram will looks like this. The front view will looks like only you will see the front portion. That means this portion. This is the front portion, the front view. So when you will see this diagram from your front position, you will see only the front view. Top view and side view, you cannot see this diagram. You cannot see this that portion when you will see this diagram in top from front view. Next, top view. Top view. So when you will see this diagram from your top position, only top portion will be visible to you. That is, in case of top view, only the top portion will be visible to you. You cannot see this front view and side view also. So top view is like this. This is the top view. So top view will be like this. Almost similar to front view, but little bit difference. Difference is that this is the rectangular portion and this is the square portion. So when you will draw front view, this will be square portion, clear, and when you will draw top view, that will be the rectangular portion. Only remember this data, remember this concept. More or less both the view, that is top view and front view, almost similar, but only difference is that the top view, that means this view will be rectangular in shape and the front view will looks like square in shape, clear. So front view and top view. Question number 3. Question number the diagram is that so front view, how the front view will looks like. Front view, so when you will see this diagram, front view will be, that is the front view, that is the front view. When you will see this diagram in front, that means only this portion will be visible, that is the front position, and this is the top position. So only this portion will be visible to you. That means front view will be this. That is the front view. That is the front view. Clear? That is the front view. Next, top view. Top view, when you will see this diagram from your top position, so only this portion will be visible. There is top side portion will be visible. So diagram will be like this. That is the top view. Only this top portion will be visible when you will see this diagram from your top portion. That will be visible to you. That is the top view. Clear? So that is the top view and front view part. That means when front view is asked, just imagine how you will see this diagram or how you will see the given diagram if you put this diagram in your front position. Clear? And when top view question is asked, just imagine if you put the diagram and you will see the diagram from your top position or top side portion, how the diagram will looks like, and just draw that diagram. Clear? So that is the top view and front view part. Next, question number 2. So this worksheet is a small worksheet. Only 2 questions, part 1 and part 2 are given. So question number 2 is, for each of the following solids, identify the top view, front view and side view. That means 2 diagrams are given and 3 options are given, option A, B, C and option A, B, C. 3 options are given for each of the diagram, and we have to identify the top view, front view and side view. That means in this 3 option, one option is your top view, one option will be your side view and one option will be your front view. So we have to identify that top view, front view and side view. Clear? So the diagram is this. So see, the top portion is marked, side portion is marked and front portion is marked. So this is the front portion, this is the top portion and this is the side portion. And see the options. See the options. So option number A, see the option A. Option A, this is the top view. This will be the top view. Option number A, this will be the top view, because the top portion, see the top portion is that. This is the top portion. This is the top portion. Clear? That is the, I am marking the top portion. So this is the top portion. So see, almost similar to this diagram. Almost similar to this option. That is the top view. Next, this portion. This portion is this portion is your front view. That will be the front view, because see, the front view is this. This is the front view. This is the front view. That means 2 squares are there in front view. See the option, on 2 squares are given. So this is the front view. That will be the front view. That means the remaining, that will be the side view. That will be the side view. See the side view option. The side view option. That means this portion will be the side view. This portion will be the side view. That is the side view. That is the side view. So it is already marked. Top view, front and side already marked. So in side view, 3 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks are there, and see the option. Also 3 blocks are there. So that is the side view. Clear? So in this way we will solve the question. Next, last question number 4. Question number 4, see that diagram is given. Top portion is marked, side portion is marked, and front portion is also marked. And see the options. So this portion will be your front view. This portion will be your front view, because see, in front view, this is the front view. So I am marking the front view. This is the front view. This portion is the front view. This is the front view. Now see, there are 3 blocks. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks are there, and that is the uppermost portion. That is the uppermost portion. So front position is matched. So this is the front view. Next, option number B. Option number B, it is the side view. Side view. Now see side view. This portion, the side portion is marked here. So side view is, this is the side view. This is the side view. So 2 blocks are there. 1, 2 blocks. So see, 2 blocks are there. So that is the side view, and remaining, that will be the top view. So in top view, there are 3 blocks, top view. So see, this is the top view given. So top view, that is the top view. That is the top view. So 1, 2, 3 blocks are there. So there are 3 blocks are there. So that is the top view. So you have to just identify what is, which one is top, which one is front, and which one is bottom. Clear? And tick the appropriate option. So clear? So that's it. This worksheet is a small worksheet, and that's the end of this topic. The next session we will discuss the next worksheet, that is worksheet 8, and that will be based on your face, edges, and vertices. Clear? Thank you.